Struggling to keep track of your payments can be a real headache, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can easily post payments in Office Ally, whether it's insurance payment or patient payments. This step by step guide will help you keep everything organized and accurate so you can focus on what really matters your patients and your practice growth. So, the very first step is you have to log into your Office Ally user. I have also added the link here. You are simply going to click on that and log in with your user. And after that, the very first step is going to be you have to navigate to the payment posting section, which is here in accountings. You're going to click on that accounting tab. There are so many tabs, and you're going to click on accounting. Then you have to click on add new payments. As you can see, it's mentioned right here. Once you will click on add new payment deposit, then it will take you to this sort of screen where you have to enter insure when you where you have to first select from where you have received the payments. Either it's for patient or it's from insurance. So you are going to click on that, and then you have to provide the insurance name, or you are going to search it here and click on that search button. Once you will pull up the insurance name, then you have to provide it with the check information, the payment date, the check amount, and do double check everything to avoid any errors. You can uh, reconfirm that the check, the number you are adding, it's correct or not. And then you have to click on record payments. Once you will click on record payments, it will automatically return you to the accounting tab. You will again navigate to this tab, okay, and there you will have to click on apply, and then you have to start applying the payments, right? And here I have just like mentioned a little, I have added a screenshot of an EOB as well here. And let me just log into my Office Live and show you how you are going to post payments manually. All right, so I have just added all the information related to the check and everything uh, off camera. And now here, once you will add the check into your system, this sort of interface will appear when you will have to apply the payments. Now, suppose we have the payment for this date of service. We have received the payment for November 5th and for this CPT code, all right? What we are going to do is we are going to, all right, so welcome back. I have added, the check information and the patient information off the camera. So, it will be easy for us and, to, do the final process. Yeah, so I have entered all the check information and pulled up the patient for which we have received the payment. And as you can see here, we have received the payment for this patient, for July 25, 2024. Now, what we're going to do, we have like as per the check, it was 57.8. All right. So we have to write 57.83, and then there was a patient responsibility as well of $10. So the remaining balance, this is going to be added into the adjustment. All right. And the remaining balance is going to be $10, right? And you have to give the reference, either it's a co-payment or co-insurance, whatever it is. You have to tell that it's co-payment and co-insurance. You can see here the payment amount and applied amount um, is it's showing zero here. So it means that all the payment have been applied. After that, you have to change the status from here. If there is no patient responsibility and in the balance it's showing $0, then you have to click on closed, okay, which will means that this payment has this check has been closed. We have received the full payment, there is no patient responsibility. But if we have the patient responsibility, you're going to click on patient responsibility, and what it will do, it will actually mark it. And when you will click on update, it will actually generate a statement, as well. You can generate it from here, or right now, you can only simply update it and generate, the statement later. Yeah. All right, so coming back to our sheet, now you have the idea how you're going to post payments in Office Ally. Now let's talk about why accurate payment posting matters. Well, accurate payment posting is super important for keeping your practice finances in order. It helps you match your revenue with your efforts, ensures patient billing is accurate, stay on top of denied and unpaid claims. Okay, and if does all this still feels like a lot to manage? All feel a lot to manage. Don't worry, you are not alone. Does it all feel a lot to manage? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many of the practices hire. Does all this feels like a lot to manage? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many of the practices hires experts to streamline their billing and payment posting. We have helped over 200 practices save time, reduce errors, and get paid faster. If you're ready for a simpler way to handle your payments, reach out. Look in the description, click on the calendar link, and book your meeting with us today. We're here to help you succeed. And with that, thanks for tuning today. If you like this video, give it a like. And with that, thanks for watching today. If you find this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos to grow your practice. Got any questions? Drop them in the comment section, and I would love to help you guys. Till then, see you next time.